Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Oh, of course, I'm now beef link so strong. Between DJ Gift and producer, of course, he also missed the post, and also Hlawusikiza. Ka busy blind. So previous I'm showing updating. Like hey, come so very Hlawusikiza, of course, na voice ya mbuti. So very good. Then there is also DJ Gift side driver kwa ngahlambi. You want to blind. If that video I'm gonna save one, tavekela a link on top comment because beefy look continuing. So kasum of course at the 9th of January. If you want DJ Gift, of course, I can continue na beef link akon, of course, I teresako ya voice ya mbote. So if you can vekela ko 120 rand contract ngwanandona, as you can see. So if you can now kuna merchandise, kuna xikipa, so swi nga ku xavisiweni manjeni swa voice ya mbuti, as you can see. That's what DJ Gift posted, as you can see kwalano. Komisa ku siku na xikipa swa kona. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's a great way of beefing, of dissing. Then from there, of course, Hlawusikiza if you post a controversial post, nga vekela screenshot da khita ka shona, of course, ifika tsala ku so why on pota ka president? What's a question ku when out young boy, of course, president as to kula Benwang and the president. So he's trying to say ku screenshot lexi nga xi pfulela nuwa DJ Gift a ri ku poteni ka Ben Mayengani a sendela Ben Mayengani screenshot lexi. I was like, I don't know. Like enough ni kote ku va ni kuma screenshot lexi a ku xi posta hlaya because a ku na number phone le henhla le. So mhaka number phone hi yona ni yi chekeni ka WhatsApp. As you can see, if I check out show no ya huma le ni fike ni yi save like as a one ni kuma ku impela ku huma Vunandzi Music Production, it's a company, ni ri ku ri business account fambisana na yena DJ Gift. Mara mhaka leswi I don't know loko hi khe hi langutaka of course ka the original screenshot. I won of course DJ Gift a kha vutisiwa ku I mani hi wena mani, as you can see kwalano. So I don't know about the legitimacy of this. Swi nga ni tsandza, I don't know. Mara na phone of course na yona iPhone, Ben Mayengani tirhisa iPhone, I don't know ku endleka yini la, I don't know. So really Master T a nga sendele Ben Mayengani the president and DJ Gift ku voka wena. Well, 10%, I believe 10% a nga sendele Ben Mayengani. Other than that, 90% of me, I don't believe kumakali yi real ku na DJ Gift a sendela Ben Mayengani the president. I don't know, man. Va endle sweswo. A dzi nga kota ngopfu ngopfu Mr. Post leswi ni swi vonisaka swona. Of course I might be wrong, ko leswi ni swi vonisaka swona mina hi ku vona ka mina. Then from there, of course, posted another post. La nga fika tsala ku mara Ben Mayengani xa hakela. Ben president ni kombela ku ngeteriwa 15% ka salary ya mina, ni la ku donetela muhumelerisi. Muhumelerisi of course ku vuriwa i DJ Gift. Mi nga mi xoni ka the previous screenshot loko hi languta laha hansi laha hi vone Ben president, of course kha kombisa ku mi nga kholeli muhumelerisi and stuff like that. Even then a tlhavekela this video kha hi komba timali ta yena.
Le Mall of Africa ntele ku dya mali. Na ku dya mali. A ku la ku dyiwa vanhu la. A ku la ku dyiwa mali la. Mhaka ra butsa leri. Le Mall of Africa la ku dya mali. A ku la ku dyiwa mali la. Ai te mhaka ta mali. Ai te mhaka ta la ku dya mali la. A ku la ku dyiwa mali kwala.
Of course, it's joking. Mall of the North, as you can see, Bulukwan Mall of the North, Ujokasha Mall of Africa. I'm not sure if it's a joke or it was an error. It was an error, but of course, Mall of the North, the Bulukwan and stuff like that. And so it is, of course, Makainga in Sashona. Still come now before ya take because just got them Sashona. Msawi ya hola and the nice and the vacation won't Sasho. Now Master T, I video processing for DJ Gift she be come hayi siku loku tikeni ku loko hi seni I like it, I like how ma swi va hisela vanhu leswaku swo swilo swi kahle ngopfu ma swona hi yona ndlela yo bifa leyi yi va yi ri kahle ngopfu. So of course DJ Gift road hi mpela timhondzo to lomba a ti damarheli as you can see kwalano ma swona it's more like gift kahle kahle a yi damarheli munhu ne nyiko ni a yi damarheli ngi ku damarheli ku nga swa wena a hi swa wena. That's what it's trying to say. Even then fika vekela this video clip ku ndla ka yena Master T va dlaya hlamuseli a wa ha ta lungha kwala mara a ku loko hetisiwa munhu kwala hi leswo guys a hi heli video leswo loko ri mi nga subscribe ni ka ha to hisa ka Master T.
So nomulo weta mafurha u kulu a mina na mara mhani loyi u toloverini so ta ku yini u le misaveni